Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English. In today's lesson, you will listen to a long English conversation between a customer and an online banking help desk agent. This conversation is slow and simple. It is perfect for English beginners, ESL learners, and anyone who wants to learn banking English. Please listen carefully. Pause the video. Repeat the sentences. Let's begin.
Good morning. Thank you for calling online banking support. My name is Sophia. How may I help you today?
Good morning. My name is David. I need some help with my online banking.
Of course, David. I will be happy to help you. Please don't worry. What seems to be the problem?
I am having trouble logging into my account.
I understand. Before we continue, I need to verify your identity.
Okay.
May I have your full name, please?
Yes. My full name is David Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Can you please confirm your registered mobile number?
Yes. It is 9876543210.
Thank you. For security reasons, I will send a one-time password to your phone. Please tell me the code once you receive it.
Okay. Yes, I received it. The code is 458921.
Perfect. Your identity is verified.
Now, please tell me what problem you are facing while logging in.
When I enter my username and password, the system says invalid login details.
I see. This is a common issue. Don't worry, we can fix it.
That's good to hear. I was very worried.
No problem at all. Sometimes this happens if the password is entered incorrectly or if the account is temporarily locked.
Let's try resetting your password. Are you using the banking app or the website?
I am using the app on my phone.
Okay. Please open the app and click on Forgot Password.
All right, I can see it now.
Good. Now enter your registered mobile number.
Done.
You will receive another OTP. Please enter it on the screen.
Yes, I entered it.
Now create a new password. Make sure it has letters and numbers.
Okay, I have created a new password.
Great. Please confirm the password and submit.
Done.
Now please try logging in again.
One moment. Yes, I am logged in now.
That's wonderful. I'm glad the issue is resolved.
Thank you so much. That was very helpful.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, actually. I want to check my account balance.
No problem. Once you log in, you can see your balance on the home screen.
Yes, I see it now.
Your balance shows how much money you have in your account.
That's very convenient. Can I also see my past transactions?
Yes, of course. Please click on Transaction History.
Okay.
Here, you can see all your recent payments, deposits, and transfers.
I see it now. This is very useful. I want to send money to my friend. Can I do that online?
Yes, you can. Online banking allows you to transfer money easily.
How do I do that?
Click on Transfer Money, then select the beneficiary.
What is a beneficiary?
A beneficiary is the person who receives the money.
I understand.
If your friend is new, you need to add them as a beneficiary.
Okay. What details do I need?
You need their name, account number, and bank name.
All right. I will add the details.
Once added, there may be a waiting period for security reasons.
That is good for safety. After transferring money, how do I know it is successful?
You will see a confirmation message. You will also receive an SMS and email.
That is reassuring.
Yes, we always keep our customers informed.
What if my transaction fails?
Good question. If a transaction fails, the money is usually refunded within 24 hours.
That's good to know.
You can also check the status in transaction history.
Can I pay my electricity bill using online banking?
Yes, you can pay electricity, water, and phone bills.
That is very convenient.
Just go to Bill Payments and select the service. Mr. Miller, I would like to share some safety tips.
Yes, please.
Always never share your password or OTP with anyone.
Okay.
Always log out after using online banking.
I will remember that.
If you notice any suspicious activity, contact us immediately.
What if I lose my debit card?
You should block your card immediately.
Can I do that online?
Yes, go to Card Services and select Block Card.
That's very helpful.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. You explained everything very clearly.
Thank you for your kind words.
I feel much more confident using online banking now.
I'm happy to hear that. Thank you for calling online banking support.
Thank you for your time and help.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.